Hello beautiful people! Today I'm showing you how to cook dried curry. This time I'm using air-fried baby potatoes and ready-made soya meat, about 170 grams. You can also use any vegan protein meat. Next, medium red onion, 5 lime leaves, fresh ginger, and lemongrass. For spices, curry powder, turmeric powder, dried chili flakes, dried coriander, salt, sugar, and cooking oil. We also need 250 milliliters water and 200 milliliters coconut cream. For onion, I only use half, and for ginger, about a thumb size. Rinse them. Slice lemongrass into 2. Thinly slice the onion. Skin off the ginger. Slice into 3 or 4 pieces. Crush the lemongrass. Heat up pot. After it is hot, turn down the heat to medium. Cooking oil, about 20 milliliters. Pan fry the soya meat. Do some saute to avoid burning. Let them toast for about 2 to 3 minutes. We need fragrant soya meat, so we need to toast them a little dry. And once you see their color change into darker brown and thin layer of crush on the surface, it means they are done. Use back the pot, 10 milliliters cooking oil, ginger, lemongrass, onions, lime leaves. Saute for a minute or 2. One and a half tablespoons coriander powder. 1 and a half teaspoons of chili flakes. 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Saute at low heat to avoid burning. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get fragrant curry spices. After that, mix them with fried potatoes and soya meat. Mix well. Drop half of the coconut cream. Mix well. Some water. Let's put 3/4 first and see how. If it is too dry, we can put the remaining. Yes, if you use Chinese black wok, you need not too much water. Cover it and let simmer for about 12 minutes at medium heat. After 5 minutes, open and stir a bit to make sure potatoes are covered by the gravy. Feel free to check out air-fried potatoes in the description box. 12 minutes over. Stir them again. Put in the remaining coconut cream. Mix well. Let it simmer a short while. It smells really good. Let me bring to taste the gravy. That's nice. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, please give thumbs up, share, and leave a comment down below, okay? I read every comment. And if you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching. See you again.